Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter smooth, easy method. Warm the jar in a water bath for a few minutes, then remove and stir firmly with a wide spatula, scraping the sides and bottom. Work from the outside inward and keep the motion steady until the paste is uniform. If texture remains grainy, add 1 teaspoon of neutral oil and stir until the consistency is creamy and spreadable. Gather a wide jar or bowl, a silicone spatula, and a towel for insulation. Warm water works best to release trapped oil without overheating the peanut butter. Remove the lid and place the sealed jar in warm water long enough to loosen the oil but not heat it to boiling. Stir steadily, pressing and folding the peanut butter until smooth. Finish by tapping the jar gently to settle the mixture. Hey, quick recommendation and ad break. If this video helps, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and I find its clear, practical advice oddly comforting while I stir peanut butter. Check the description for the link and other deals, then grab a cup of tea. Now let's get back to the video. If your peanut butter stays grainy, try a short burst with a hand mixer on low to break stubborn particles without aerating too much. Slowly add neutral oil, 1 teaspoon at a time, and mix until silky. For natural peanut butter, storing the jar upside down for an hour after stirring can help oils redistribute evenly. Keep the jar sealed and store in a cool place to maintain the smooth texture longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.